Very much, Ashwit, for all those details. On to a big exclusive now. SoftBank is betting big on India and is planning to turn on the funding tap. The Japanese multinational is gearing up to make its biggest investment in India this year. So what exactly is on SoftBank's mind? Kritika Saxena brings us those details. Kritika, what's up?
Well, yes, SoftBank has invested $2 billion in India so far, and we understand that in the calendar year 2017, they are likely to make one of their largest bets so far. We learned that they are investing up to $3 billion in India in 2017. So $3 billion is the estimated amount that they are looking at as of how things stand right now, which basically means that the number of investments that they have been able to close so far is totaling up to $3 billion, or at least proposed investments that they are looking at closing in 2017. So that's for the entire calendar year. How will this work? This is going to be between two large deals. This is Snapdeal and Flipkart's proposed merger and the likely investment in Paytm. In Paytm, they're looking at investment of about $1 to $1.2 billion. But as far as Snapdeal Flipkart is concerned, it's going to be a multi-pronged investment. So in the first stage, they will be investing in buying out Snapdeal investors and then looking at a merger with Flipkart. In the merged entity, Snapdeal wants to hold 20%. For that, they are looking at buying out one of the existing investors, in fact, the largest investor so far in Flipkart, with 33 to 35% stake. That is Tiger Global. Now, Tiger Global has a significant stake. They have been looking at getting some forms of return, and thus we understand that they may be looking at divesting a portion of the stake. How much will that be? We don't know the amount as yet, but yes, this could be up to 10%. Now, how far have the discussions reached? We already reported the SoftBank board will be meeting later this week. We also understand that the boards of Kalari Capital, Nexus and Jasper are also likely to meet very soon to clear this deal, and only then will SoftBank begin the official process of buying out the investors and then going ahead with the merger. So, of course, a formal announcement could take time as a result of how complicated the entire process is. But if you look at SoftBank's involvement, they are looking at betting very big in the country. They want to be a significant player in the Indian e-commerce story. And, you know, over and above the Paytm and the proposed Snapdeal and Flipkart merger, they are also looking at niche startup players to be able to invest and grow. So just about $500 to $600 million is likely to be invested only in looking at the newer initial startups, 1 to 1.2 in Paytm, and there a good sizable chunk of $1 to $1.5 billion is likely in the entire Snapdeal and Flipkart merger process.
SoftBank there.